In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the footer section in your WP travel engine theme. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully customized footer that enhances the look of your website and provides utility for your visitors. To get started, you'll first need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where the main menu is, and you'll want to click on Appearance, then Customize. This takes you to the WordPress Customizer, a powerful tool that lets you personalize various aspects of your theme. Next, you'll see an option to customize the footer section. Depending on your theme, it might be labeled as simply Footer, or it could be under Widgets or Theme Options. Click on the footer section. This is where you'll make the bulk of your changes. Here, you'll want to focus on the content of your footer. You'll see an option for text or copyright. This is where you can add or edit any text you want to display, such as contact information, a short bio, or copyright details. Spend some time crafting a message that matches the tone and branding of your website. Now, let's move on to menus and links. These are essential for providing visitors quick access to important pages. You have the opportunity to add navigational links to your footer. This is particularly useful for key pages like About Us, Contact, or any other pages you find critical. Following that, we tackle the social icons or widgets. Most websites benefit from social media connectivity, and here you can add icons linking to your various profiles, encouraging visitors to engage with you across platforms. Widgets can also enhance your footer, allowing you to add items like calendars, recent posts, or custom HTML. Once you've sorted out the content, it's time to play with the aesthetics. Adjust the colors, background, and layout to ensure your footer complements the overall theme of your site. A cohesive color scheme is important for maintaining a professional look. For additional customization, head over to Appearance, then Widgets, and find Footer Widgets. You can add, remove, or rearrange widgets within the footer area here. Tailor them to meet the specific needs of your audience, ensuring relevance and utility. When you're satisfied with the layout and look of your footer, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Publish or Save Changes button within the customizer. Click it as the final step to ensure all your modifications are live on your site. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you've expertly customized the footer section of your WP travel engine theme. Remember, a well-designed footer not only enhances the visual appeal of your website, but also improves functionality for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.